In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily hand off designs in REM or EM in Figma. As designers, we often create our beautiful interfaces using pixel-based measurements, which is standard practice in tools like Figma. However, when it comes to handing off these designs to developers, especially for responsive web development, there's often a need for units like REM or EM. These relative units are crucial for building flexible and accessible layouts that scale perfectly across different screen sizes and user preferences. The manual conversion from pixels to REM or EM can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Today, I'll show you a straightforward way to bridge this gap directly within Figma. That's where plugins come in. First, navigate to the Plugins menu within Figma. You can usually find this by right-clicking on your canvas or by going to the main menu at the top left of your Figma window. Once there, hover over Plugins and then search for or select the Measure plugin. If you haven't installed it already, you can easily find and install it from the Figma community. This plugin is invaluable because it allows you to visualize and export design specifications in relative units, significantly reducing back-and-forth communication and manual calculations. Activating Measure prepares your canvas to display these crucial development-ready values. Once the Measure plugin is active and running, the next step is incredibly simple. Just select any frame or even individual elements within your design. As soon as you click on a frame, you'll instantly see an overlay of measurements appear right on your canvas. This isn't just showing you pixel values. It's intelligently converting and displaying dimensions, spacing, and even typography sizes in REM or EM, depending on the plugin's configuration. For instance, if your root font size is set to the common default of 16 pixels, a text element with 32 pixels will show up as 2 REM. This immediate visual feedback is incredibly powerful, allowing developers to directly grab these values without needing to open up a calculator or convert them manually, ensuring consistency and accuracy in implementation. Remember, REM units are relative to the root HTML font size, while EM units are relative to the font size of their parent element. It's a good practice to ensure your Measure plugin settings align with your project's defined root font size, typically 16 pixels, to ensure all conversions are precise and consistent for your developers.